front lines are nurses treating patients with COVID-19 every day. So how will the pandemic impact the number of nurses coming into the industry? We spoke with Valley educators and they agree this pandemic has brought to the forefront what it really means to be a nurse. Mike Jimenez explains.
Nurses have always played a vital role in the healthcare industry, and right now they are some of the most important people in the world on the front lines in the battle against the coronavirus. But has the pandemic changed the future of this vulnerable career? Dean for the School of Nursing at UTRGV says applications for the fall were collected just before the pandemic began, but says the future impact could go either way.
They're fearful to go into hospitals. They're fearful to be around people who might have a communicable disease. And that will bring many people to the realization of what nurses really do. And maybe it is for them, and maybe it is not.
Radziminski says now people who once thought this was going to be an easy career path could be thinking twice.
It really brings out in the open what nurses do and what they're expected to do, and what it means truly to give of yourself before others.
Sulema Solis, Director of Health Services with PSJA ISD, says while their nursing program numbers have not yet been impacted by COVID-19, students are interested in volunteering.
A lot of questions as to, what can I do even as students? What can they do? What part can they play to help with this COVID-19?
Solis says the district has a variety of programs in the healthcare industry. For the past 16 years, they have hosted Operation Lone Star, where students participate in offering free healthcare to the public. Solis says if called upon, students would be ready.
I know that they would come through if anything came of COVID where we had to vaccinate or we had to issue out some type of antibiotics.
Radziminski says while the impact on the number of future nursing students is unknown, the virus will help students determine if nursing is something they want to do.
But I think what it will do was make it very apparent to those who really, choose the profession of nursing, they will be choosing it for the right reasons.
Radziminski says she has students ready to jump into the front lines. In McAllen, I'm Mike Jimenez, KVO Local 23 News.